everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soap Histories, and guys, namhlanje sikhuluma ngeGenesis season finale. It was the last episode namhlanje, and into eyenzekile shambe singayilindele nhlobo. I was convinced that uMpumi will kill her sister, but guys, uBonko was the sacrifice today, and umawakhe was the sacrifice. So guys, uMpumi ubulele abantu abawu-3. Ubulele uBonko, wabulala uFelicia, wabulala uGabriel. uGabriel guys deserved uGabriel deserved to die, but inkinga ukuthi ke ushone nabantu because uBonko bese uzolanda uMaruna bahambe beyoshada after ke sethole a blessing from umawakhe. Umakhe uthe bethu ezwe isibhamu sikhala wathi uyasondela eduze komuzi, kwavele kwaphuma uGabriel. uMpumi wathi we ngeke ngimdedele uGabriel, ngambulala ngizombulala ngempela, kanti mase mbulala usehlangene ke noFelicia. So idumbu nje guys eyisale phansi zibe u3, isidumbu sika Felicia, isidumbu sika Gabriel, isidumbu ke sika Bonko. Hayi angazi bantu ukuthi into leyalile uba benze a happy ending. I-happy ending, like ubani onqabe ne-happy ending guys, ukuthi uBonko kanye ke noMaruna bahambe boshada. Yini nje bizoba wrong lapho guys, because wow, how bazi balulwela uthando labantu baze kwaze kwaphela isizini. Hayi shame the writers. Hayi man, hayi angikho happy ngani, but ke anyway guys, lo mdlalo ko uphelile namhlanje. It was indeed a season finale, and iphele kahle ke, as much as kungasikho lokade sikulindele, because we were wishing guys, we were praying for uBonko noMaruna ukuthi bashade, but unfortunately ama writers ke nawo acabange ngenye ke indlela. So yeah guys, akukho mshado, akukho Gabriel. So season 2 hayi khohlwani bafana, I don't think ungasube khona kanjani sekunje. I think uMaruna uMpumi uzohamba yoboshwa ke. But again, anyway guys, yeah, that brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.